Ruto ugorobwa gukira na arwanekite gikaro gya kwariria biashara na nthiguru mwanya muno kuma ja Afrika kerero aria rwawe na inyirite ati nthiguru cia Afrika teka iri no kya gachigwetia kwibanga bwega na gutumira kigina bari nakyo na njira ibatere kenda guciebaniria na marandu nawe munini wa RAIS Professor Kutheremia na kinyite kire kuruguria kigomano kya 26 kya umwaka kya Africa Trade and Investment Development Insurance tauria nili kithinjia gutariria.
Africa holds nearly $4 trillion in long-term domestic savings through pension funds, insurance assets, and central bank reserves. Yet the continent faces an annual financial gap of more than $400 billion.
Ni Rais Ruto kire GIKARO kia KUTHUJA biashara na gukura kimubuko kwa nthiguru cia Afrika gukurukira mubango jwa TD na kimonimoni Africa Trade and Investment Development Insurance. Area Rais Ruto onenia wetikia ari nabu kire nthiguru cia Afrika akiuga ati uke Afrika iri nabu kire igwetia ni kuibanga bwega kenda guciebaniria na marando.
Actually, it's not easy. It is difficult to go borrowing money from people. They subject you to all manner of things. You know, do this, go and pass this law. How about those things, what are those ones called? You go and pass the sexuality laws, go and do this, go and do this. You know, things that have nothing to do with the money you're looking for.
Akiuga bati kwenda mitaratara ka bendera ende nere kare tangananio.
We do not want a system that favors us. We want a system that treats all of us equally.
Nawe munini wa RAIS akiuga kire nthiguru ichi kwenda negotiatekia o kinya kuri na mautonga.
Beyond the assets of this continent that we repeatedly acclaim, namely a youthful population, arable land, natural resources, strategic location of the continent, and a huge potential for renewable energies resources. Beyond those 5 assets, the asset of confidence in our continent is perhaps much more greater than the resources and the advantages that we have.
Munini wa RAIS akiongera nthiguru ichi ni kweberia kwirigira motethethia kuma ome na ibakomba kuibanga kendene.
But we must also create African regional financial architecture that underwrites African development.
Kanyene Kawero TV, Mbeta Nele wa Kithenji.